To check warranty on a Samsung S25, first of all, you'll have to go into your settings and you have to look for IMEI number. So go right here, input this phrase IMEI, go into IMEI information, go right here and clone the first IMEI number. Just click and hold it. Now you will have to go into your browser, and as you can see, you have to input this phrase Samsung IMEI, and I can recommend you to go for this one, imei.info. Open this website, then tap right here, paste your IMEI number, and then click check. Now just wait for a few minutes. Okay, as you can see, it's not working. So you can also try to go back and pick other website, like for example this one. Let's check if it is working properly right here. Right now you have to actually click that you are not a robot, and we get actually some pop-up ads. Click I'm not a robot, and right now when we scroll down we can actually find some options right here, some information, and the warranty will be visible just right here. If you want to avoid all of these pop-up ads on this kind of the website, you can also try to do this on official Samsung website right here. But you can use imei.info. If it is not working, you can go for imei24 or for example the Samsung official website.